sound of the police. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the beast. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound.
Hi, my YouTube friends and family. This is Sergeant Kevin Watson, the Noble Cop. So today I want to talk about dancehall reggae and how it has impacted the culture of lottery scamming in Jamaica. Now, music is a part of who we are as Jamaicans. Music is in our blood. It is our lifeline. And so you can understand how influential music, especially dancehall music, is to our young people. And with that, I'm going to look at the top 3 songs, dancehall songs, very popular songs, that has somehow encouraged lottery scamming. At number 3, we have Lady Saw, Scammer Man.
Hello.
You're a new sweepstakes winner.
Really?
All you need to do is send us $1,000 through Western
Okay.
Union. You'll collect
I will.
$100,000.
Me want a scammer man from Mobi. Me want come here say the money set away. Me woulda give my body every day. Come me know say money have to pay. Me want a big money thief. Me want come me want a big money cheap. Me love money but me no cheap. And my scammer man him have to rich. Ha! Me tired of spend me one money. Pan a boy who take me fi dummy. Go on my beer and go link up Sonny. His scammer money tall him alone can't done it. Be ready fill it up on the beach. Spa treatment 3 times a week. Take a cruise to Morocco and Greece. Want a new ID fi run from police. Me want a scammer man from Mobi. Me want come here say the money set away. Me woulda give my body every day. That's true. Come me know say money have to pay. Me and a scammer lie down. Him get a call say the Indian.
Hold on. I want to rewind that little part.
Me and a scammer lie down. Him get a call say the Indian a come. Me did ready fi go wine pan the ground. When me look no the scammer that a run. Me hear scammer.
Now, is Lady Saw talking about me? Am I the Indian? Very funny, right? But Lady Saw is a very influential artist. Recently, she has turned her life over to God. So hopefully, she can do songs that are more positive and that will encourage people in a more positive way. Holding the number 2 spot is a dancehall song that took over the party scene in 2016.
Big money popping anywhere me go. Big money popping anywhere me go. Big money popping anywhere me go. Big money popping. Ha! Bang them there. Tag scammer them there. Me a tell you say the shell of them there. Plus couple front seller gal there. Hey, bang them there. Tag scammer them there. Me a tell you say the shell of them there. Plus couple front seller gal there.
Well, I have my own version of this song that I did. You want to hear it? Here it is.
Yo, you want me to tell all of the scammers right now? Hear this. Scammer me a lock up everywhere me go. Scammer me a lock up everywhere me go. Scammer me a lock up everywhere me go. Yeah, scammers, me a lock up. The police them there. The boogeyman there. The scammer boogeyman there.
You don't know, you never know, so me could a DJ, right? Yeah man, me a big DJ. So the dancehall song that holds the number 1 spot as being the most influential dancehall song as it relates to lottery scamming is the Vybz Kartel tune.
As long as them nah buy no gun, nah support no war. Big up the man them star from near and far. Them call it scam, me call it a reparation. Every ghetto youth is a star.
Yo.
So them want live like one.
Big up every scammer. We make US dollar. Build up the house for your mama. Western Union people figure we more honor. Slash, full stop, comma. Every ghetto youth for ya live like Tony Montana. Presidential like Barack Obama. Pool in a house and plane in a hangar. Who said this scammer them wrong? No.
Now there's no doubt that Vybz Kartel is one of the most talented artists and he has a very big following here in Jamaica. Young people absolutely love Vybz Kartel. But let us be truthful, let us face the facts. Vybz Kartel has really done a lot of songs that influence crime and violence in Jamaica somewhat. I know there are persons who are going to disagree with Vybz Kartel, even though he's incarcerated, has the potential of influencing our young people in a more positive way. More recently, I heard that Vybz Kartel has turned his life over to God. Now, hopefully, with this change. And I don't know if it is true, but if it is so, I believe that he has the following to influence persons in a very positive way. You can give me your feedback by commenting down below. Like and subscribe to this video. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful day.